Welcome to Samaritan's Purse Disaster Relief Extranet Training. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to check in overnight volunteers and how to check them out early if the occasion calls for it. I'm going to begin by going to List next to Location, Details next to the project where you're serving, Actions, Other Actions, and Volunteer Check-in screen. Here you'll notice an area where a confirmation code is needed. Each volunteer that has signed up, been scheduled through our office, and received an email after confirming they are coming and filling out their forms, they all have a confirmation code as well as a QR code. Now this is the only piece of paper that they are required to print and bring with them to the site. So I'm going to walk you through this. You can either type in the code that they hand you at the site, and when you click check-in, you'll notice this. You can add any notes that you wish, and when you click complete check-in for the team, you're taken to this page. Now this is very important because here I can modify the event. If a team arrives and they say, we're so sorry we didn't contact you beforehand, but we have one less person than you scheduled us for, or maybe some people, if they happen to modify the event, then you can change it. So this will take you to a reschedule page. Now let's say I have one less person coming, and even if the end date is going to be different, I know for rebuilds maybe everyone normally leaves on Saturday, but maybe some people want to leave Friday after work. Then you can certainly change the date, but I'm just going to change the number. And what this will do is update the calendar in real time so that our volunteer coordinators in the office can see there is available space. You don't need to send any attachments, just send one message and success. So this person is checked in. I know that because if I go to the location, the details, actions and other actions, I can go to the bunk report and see that right here there's one person signed up and checked in at this site. Now if you want to expedite the check-in process, you have hundreds of volunteers on site, you want to just collect those papers as quickly as possible, and I want to show you the QR reader for the iPhone. If you type in QR reader for iPhone, if you want the actual web address, it's up here, itunes.apple.com. And I actually don't pay attention to this because there's some symbols taken out of it to save the file, but if you simply search for QR reader for iPhone, it should be the first that comes up. You'll see this icon. You'll see a lot of ratings, probably more by the time you see this video. But when you download it, it's free. You are going to be taken to the scanner. The scanner is found by clicking the camera button. Scan the QR code. It will take you to the login page. Go ahead and do that. And when you click log on, click this button up here. It's going to take you to, and you can continue scanning. So go back, click this button again, scan the other code, click the back button up here again. Of course it won't be the login page anymore, and you can edit and move any of these files. You can actually add a file, put everything in there that you need to. But let's check these volunteers out early. So I'm going to go to List next to Location, Details, Actions, Other Actions, Volunteer Early Checkout screen. And I'm simply going to check out the volunteer. Check out early.